The Mabett Rear Door Pocket for Bronco is tailored specifically for four-door Ford Bronco models, so it fits the rear doors cleanly without looking like an add-on. By turning the unused rear door cavities into enclosed bins with a built-in cup holder, it adds genuinely useful storage for drinks, small tools, and trail gear that would otherwise roll around the cabin. The combination of a rigid ABS-style shell and a softer inner liner gives your items a protected space that feels sturdy enough for off-road use while still cushioning rattles. Once you are comfortable drilling the required holes, the included hardware and clear layout make installation straightforward for a do-it-yourself owner with basic tools. Compared with the factory netting alone, these pockets keep keys, charging cables, and other small items far more secure and accessible, especially when the vehicle is bouncing over rough terrain. Overall, this rear door pocket set feels like a well-thought-out upgrade that maximizes Bronco-specific space without interfering with rear passengers or the vehicle's rugged character.